Now, already we have discussed the when to use that style and when to avoid that style. You have to consider the scenario. We have to consider the software environment in which platform you are using. Okay. In that time, which time we have to consider and which time we have to avoid of using the styles. Now, come to the connectors. Okay. Already discussed these slides. I am just making it full screen. Is it visible as the presentation mode to all?
No,
Hello?
yes.
Is it visible as the presentation mode?
No, sir.
No, no, no,
No, sir.
Not.
no,
Slide,
no.
slide,
Slide mode.
slide
Slide.
story.
Just a minute. Now it is not.
Not yet. Not yet. Destiny. Not yet.
देखो sir, just a minute. Sometimes it is giving problem and it is also taking time.
Okay, leave it. It's not. Now it came. Now it came.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Actually, sir, sometimes network issue again also. The
Yeah.
mobile internet is not that much helpful. Sometimes
Okay.
it is also taking time to be displayed in the different
Okay.
locations.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are discussing the software connector. In which environment we are using which type of connectors with the components. Okay. Now, okay. Then what is a connector? These are already we have discussed. This is the architectural element of a particular model. It is the main interaction among the components. It has the main importance of interacting among the components. The rules that governs those interactions. Interactions means you need a between the conversation or between the communication between the sender and receiver. You need some path to reach your to connect the interaction or to communicate with each other. So this will help to interact the signals. This will help to send the signals from one entity to another entity, where some one is client, another one is a server. So it helps with the rules that governs those interactions. And another one is the simple interaction. It is a procedure call. Just like in different location, it will provide RPC, remote procedure call, and a shared variable access. Shared variable access means we are sharing the resources in a particular location where all the components are accessing that shared variables through the connectors. Then complex and semantically rich interactions. Semantically rich and complex. If the interactions are very much complex and these are very much meaningful, some very much informative, these are also one type of interactions. First one was the simple interaction. Next one, complex and semantically rich interaction. Here which one? The client server protocol, the database access protocol, and some asynchronous event multicast. First one is the client server protocol. The client will send the request to the server by mean of some informative interactions, which is a part of complex and semantically rich interaction. Then the next one is the database access protocol. In between the client and server, one is a ultimate client and one is a ultimate server. In between them, there is also another clients or another servers who helps to progress or to help apply our logic. Application logic where it will be applied. Database is the backend work. Database is the backend work. It is the ultimate server. So in between the client and server, there is also another application server which help to connect the database to interact with the request. So that is a database access protocol. Client will access to the server by some middle person. Just like in a three-tier architecture, front end, back end, and middle end, or sorry, middle tier. And the next one, the asynchronous event multicast. In the event-based style, event-based boss style, it is a asynchronous architecture, or it is a asynchronous multicasting technique. How? Here, all the components are connected through a event boss connector. And it does not mean that all will be simultaneously interacted. So in that event boss, they will interact in a asynchronous manner. So it will multicast in a asynchronous manner also. So if this type of interactions will be there, it will be complex. Okay. Then next one, each connector provides the interaction dot. Interaction dot means some particular point of interaction in between the two entities. Then transfer of control or data. These are very important for transferring the control or transferring the signal or information, data, whatever you say. Next. Here. Where the connectors in software systems? Where is the connectors? You can check here. Here, the pipes are the connectors. Here, the abstract data type open access is the connector. It is a method call or procedure call or the real-time data stream connector. You can check, all the connectors are there. One is a database access connector. This is connecting to the database. Another one is implicit invocation, which acts as a connector to connect another component. And another one, additive open access, abstract data type access. Another one, the method call, means that is the remote method call. Pipe is also a connector. In the pipe and filter we have discussed. Another one, the data stream connector, that is the real-time data stream connector. So here it is indicating which type of connectors are, what type of symbols or notations they have. Their notations, their symbols, how they are connected. All are connectors, but their notations are little bit different. Now, implemented versus conceptual connector. First one is implemented, another one is conceptual. The connectors in software system implementations, it has frequently no dedicated. We don't have any dedicated source code frequently for the implementation. Frequently no identity. There is also no identity of the connectors. Typically they don't have correspond to compilation units, and also typically for distributed implementations. In a software system implementation, these are the main things you can find. And the distributed implementation across multiple modules and the across interaction mechanisms. Okay. Connectors in software architectures are the first class entities. In the software architecture, the connectors are the main or primary entities in a software architecture. They have the identity. First one is during the implementation and another one is in the software architecture. During the implementation, is there any identity of a connector? There they have the source code they have to execute. They don't have any identity. Connectors don't have any identity in a implementation. But if we will consider the software architecture, they are the first class entities. They have the high priority entities. And also they have their identities. It describes all the system interactions. But in the previous implemented connector, they don't have the system interactions. or the lack of system interaction. Here it describes all the system interactions. Next, it is entitled to their own specifications as well as the proper abstraction of each connector. Then, reasons for treating connectors independently. Why we are connecting or connecting the connectors through the components in an independent way. The first one, connector is not a component. Of course, the connectors are different and the components also different. The components provides the application specific functionality. It has some functionality. Each component has some functionality. Just like in the three-tier architecture, the middle tier has some application logic, has some application functionality. But the connectors provide some application independent interaction. The connectors will not help us in doing some applications or not help us to execute some implementations by using the application. It is not like that. But they are independent. Application independent interaction. It will just interact with the components. Which one? The connectors. It will ultimately just interact with the connectors.
Always procedure call in your mind. How that procedure call and invocation works. That is connector. Yeah.
Connect. Means it will help to transfer the signals, transfer the control, transfer the data through the interactions. Then the interaction abstraction or parameterization. The interaction abstraction are with some parameters. We will evaluate their interaction mechanism in between the components through some parameterization technique with some parameters, evaluational parameters. Then specification of complex interactions. There are also already told some are complex interactions which are also known as the rich interactions, having some informative contents, just like the backend database access interaction through the connectors. So these are some complex interactions. Which one? Binary versus NR, asymmetric versus symmetric interactions. Interaction protocols are the specification we use. Then treating connectors independently. It helps for the localization of interaction definition. Which one? When we are using the connectors independently, it will localize to interact between the components. Then with some extra component interaction, if with some extra component interaction, because component connectors are independent. Then component independence, then component interaction flexibility. When the connectors are independent, then it will also improve the interaction flexibility between other components. Then benefits of first class connectors. It separates the computation from interaction. Interaction means transferring the signal, data, or some remote procedure call. So it is not the computation. Computation is a different. So computation is we use the computation by applying our applicational logic or application logic. Minimize component interdependencies. With the help of the first class connectors, it can minimize the interdependencies between the components. It also supports some software evaluation like component extension, the connectors extensions, and the system level. In the three cases, it will help for the software evaluation. The component with their extensions, the connectors with their extensions, and the system level. The potential for supporting dynamism. It also has the potentiality to support the dynamic interaction between the components. It also facilitates the heterogeneity. It also facilitates the heterogeneity, means it can help us to interact in between different platforms. It does not mean that the platform will be same. If we are interacting, if you are in a different end, I am using a Windows system, another one is at a different end using the Unix system, and this connector also can have the interaction for the first class connectors. Or means I want to say here, it also facilitates the heterogeneity techniques become points of distribution. If I am a server and I am connected through a connector to other clients, means from my one point, multiple connectors can also interact. So it is a point of distribution. Other clients can interact through a particular point of connector from which the connector will transfer control to the backend of the database. It aids the system analysis and also testing. It is also very much important for system analysis and system testing, that is most benefited by the first class connectors. Next, an example of a explicit connector. Explicit means that is a independent connector. They are not associated to a particular component. Here you can check here, independent connector. So some dotted line notification has been given to connect A and B. Okay, and some signals are given. Now here A, B, C are interrupted. So who is in the middle? Who is helping in between the A and B to interact in between them? So these are the explicit connectors using in between the components. Now,
Deba, just go back.
sir,
Here A should be connected to B, or A should be connected to C, or B should be. It's a wrong way of connection, right? It should not be. When a connector again connected to C, it's not the explicit way.
yes,
Right, Deba?
yes, sir. Means it is not the proper interaction.
It's not. It's very difficult. Which one is interacting? Component A is interacting with C. From A, one diversion has come to C. It's not the way. It's not explicit. Explicit means very clear. What is the meaning of explicit? Very clearly identified. Explicit.
Elaborately.
Very clearly identified, leaving no room for any confusion. There is no confusion. The definition of explicit is very clear. There is no confusion. Like A to B, there is no confusion. Here it is confusion. A to C, there is confusion. So it is not explicit.
A proper explicit connector.
There is no confusion. Means it's not explicit. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead, Deba. Next. Yeah.
Then the connector role. Okay, port and role already we discussed. And I have given some assignment to port and role. Be prepared, when we will get time, we will ask for the presentation. Then the locus of interaction among a set of components. The main interaction or the point of interaction between a group of components or a set of components with the connector roles. Okay. Now it has some protocol specification, that is a implicit connector, and that defines its properties. There are types of interface it is able to mediate, which interface it is using, and the assurance about the interaction properties. It should be properly assured before interacting to a property or before interacting to any part, the components. Rules about the interaction ordering all should be properly clarified. The interaction commitments, their parameters, their performance, their evaluations should be with proper definition. Then the roles. one is the communication, one is for coordination, one is for conversion and facilitation.
To provide facility,
To provide facility.
to communicate, to coordinate.
To coordinate, to convert, to facilitate.
3 C and 1 F. Keep it in mind. Always we will ask you. And you will read a lot on each one. On each one we will read a lot. How it helps to communicate, how it helps to coordinate, how it helps to convert, how it helps to facilitate. Okay, go ahead. Next.
Each one we will just cover. Just like the connector is the communicator, connector is the converter, connector is the coordinator, or connector is the facilitator. So first one, connector is the communicator. Here the main role is associated with the connector that supports different communication mechanisms. When connectors acts as a communicator, it supports different communication mechanisms. First one, the procedure code, the remote procedure call, shared data access, message passing. These are some communication mechanisms that can help. And also it has the constraints on communication structure and the other direction. Example, pipe. By using the pipe, it has the constraint of communication between the two components. Then constraints on quality of service. What the constraint should be there? It should be persistent. Uninterruptedly, it should provide the communication in between the components. Persistently. Then it separates the communication from computation. Communication is through the connectors. Computational part is in between the component. Means it has in between some application functionality for the computation. It may influence some non-functional system characteristics, just like non-functional activities, functional activities and non-functional activities. We have discussed previously the performance, the scalability, the security, the quality of service. These are some functional properties. And also, these are some non-functional properties: performance, scalability, and security. So it also helps to influence the non-functional properties, NFPs. Now, connector is a coordinator. It determines the computation control. It will help to determine the control for the computation, which is going to be held in between the component. Then it also provides the control delivery of data. It provides the signal or data or information through the control delivery. It transfers the control. Then it separates control from computation. Helps for separating the control from computation. Orthogonal to communication, conversion, and facilitation. When it is doing the coordination work, then it will just ignore the communication, conversion, and facilitation. Means it is orthogonal to other three. When it is coordinating, means it is orthogonal to other three roles. Which one? Communication, conversion, and facilitation. The elements of control are in communication, conversion, and facilitation. Then connectors as converters. Third one, the third rule. It enables the interaction of independently developed mismatched components. It helps to interact the two components which are not matching and they are developed independently. That components are something independent. They don't have any close relation previously. So if it is the case, then it will act as a converter, just like a protocol converter we use during the interaction between the two networks in our communication system. If two networks are there, we are using some protocol converter for the communication in between the networks. So here the connector works as a converter. When the components are mismatching, since they are developed independently. Some independent components, they are not previously known to each other. So during that time, it needs some converter. And what are the mismatching interaction types? Interactions. One is type, the number, the frequency, and order. And some examples are adapters and wrappers. These are the two important connectors which works as a converter. Just like the sixth one, the sixth connector, wrapper or adapter connector. Last one out of the six. These adapter and wrapper help to convert the help to enable the interaction by converting. Last one, the connectors as facilitators. It enables the interaction of components intended to interoperate. It provides the facility between the components for interoperation. How the components will interoperate with different platforms. It needs some facility. It needs some requirements. So during that time, that connector will work as a facilitator. Means it will provide the facility to enable the interact between the components that is intended to interoperate. It also mediate and streamline the interaction. Then it governs the access of shared information. Which one? When the connectors works as a facilitator. It has the main governing power to access the shared information. It also ensures proper performance profiles by using some load balancing technique. The proper load balance should be maintained between the interaction between the components. Load balancing means, can you please tell me anyone load balancing? Students?
The way to balance the load on the server.
How? This is the way to, I know. Load balance, how? It provides access control. You heard about the faster sender and a slower receiver. You heard about it or not? Faster sender, slower receiver.
Yes.
So when sender will send request one after another, thousand of requests to another server, how it will handle? How it will handle a lot of requests? So it would.
Main algorithm in computer networks.
Sorry. Sorry. Repeat, please repeat.
Sir, leaky bucket algorithm in networking.
There are
Some
many.
load balancing
There are
techniques. Some
many
load
algorithms.
balancing techniques. This case, to avoid the congestion, maintain the load properly. Otherwise, the system will be crashed from another end. So we need the load balancing. And the next one, providing a proper synchronization mechanism. You already studied these things or learned these things during the critical section in operating system critical section. You heard about it or not? Critical
Yes,
section
sir.
is there
Yes.
in operating system.
Yes.
There should be some guidelines or protocols to access the critical section. No two processes can simultaneously enter into the critical section. Okay. Inter-process communication and synchronization mechanism was there, and monitors. Monitor is also a synchronization technique we use. Various techniques are there for the synchronization mechanism. There was a chapter IPC and a synchronization mechanism, inter-process communication. How to communicate between the processes. Okay. Then these are some previously 6 generalized connectors we have discussed. Okay, and here the types. These are some varieties. These are on previously 6 are some standard connectors, and these are the type of connectors. One is the procedure call, the data access, the event connector, the stream connector, the linkage, the distributor, the arbitrator, and the adapter. And you
Two
should
are
have
more
the
here, right? Two more are here.
yes, sir.
Okay. You
Now,
everybody draw this. We are giving 5 minutes time. You draw this. Okay. All are drawing. Jitendra.
Yes, sir.
Up
Yes,
draw
sir.
karo. You draw it and try to understand how there are 4 categories under it, how there are how many types, 8 types are there,
8 types.
and how many dimensions are there, how many sub-dimensions are there, what are the values, how they are connected, and how many species are there. Species are there, each one to draw, because based on this, what are the words? Category, type, dimension, sub-dimension, value, and
Values,
species. We will further read. So each one has to remember that page in your front. There are 4 categories. Then under each category, there are how many types are there? We read now 8 types. 8 types of connectors. Earlier, 4 categories. 4 categories. 3C and 1F. 3C, 1F. 4 categories. Now 8 types. Then again, we will see what are the dimensions. Then what are the sub-dimensions. What are the values.
their
What are
values and the which species are there.
which species it belongs to. It belongs to. Which species means which group it belongs to. So depending on this, yeah.
In between the 4 categories, these 8 connectors will come. What are the 4 categories? Just we told right now. The communication or communicator, coordinator, converter, and facilitator. In between this category, the 8 type of connectors will come. And we will see the which type is and their dimensions, what and their sub-dimensions with their values and in which species they are.
Okay, next. Change kar diya. All have drawn. All have drawn. Drawn the picture. Jitendra, आपने draw किया?
Yes, sir. I'm drawing it. Just finishing.
Drawing it. इतना धीरे-धीरे high speed जाएंगे ना और क्या? हाँ.
Here
Here you see.
you see a service with
Procedure called. Yeah.
procedure called connector. So what a procedure called connector will provide? It is a communication and coordination. Means it is the connector is a connector works as a communicator. Also the connector was a coordinator. And
So
our
it has
type is
2 categories. It belongs to 2 categories.
2 categories. The procedure
ये 2. हाँ.
the procedure call belongs to 2 categories of service. What type? One is a communicator, connector as a communicator, connector as a coordinator. Now, the type is procedure call. Out of the 8, one type is procedure call, na? And it has also the dimensions. What are the dimensions? You can check. First one is the parameters, their entry point, the invocation, the synchronicity, the cardinality, the accessibility. They are sub-dimensions. All don't have the sub-dimension, but some also have the sub-dimensions. Then they are values. All things we have to consider. First one. First dimension of the procedure call. First one is the parameters. And in which sub-dimension it is? This will help for the data transfer, the semantic values, their return values, and for some invocation records. Data transfer means their reference, their value, names, all things we have to mention. Semantics means the default values, what is the default values, what the keyword parameters we are using frequently, and what is the inline parameter associated with the connector. Next, some return values. These are some sub-dimension. Then invocation record, pushing the value from left to right, pushing from right to left, maintaining the hash table. These are some values with the sub-dimension. Then the next dimension is entry point. Whether you have a multiple entry point or single entry point in the component. Then invocation. It has two type of dimensions like explicit and implicit. Explicit, in the explicit you have the method call, macro call, inline, and system call. And implicit subdimension, you can check, it has the exceptions, the callback, delegations are the values. Then synchronicity. In synchronicity, you have to check the values are whether synchronous or asynchronous. Then cardinality, fan in, fan out. It is also there in your software engineering. Fan in and fan out. Then accessibility. What type of accessibility it has? Whether a private or a public or a secured or protected network. Here procedure call connector. Now again the type is event. Out of the 8 types, first one is the procedure call, next is the event. In the event, what type of service this connector provides? Now here the connector provides communicator as a communicator, the connector as a coordinator. And what are the dimensionalities? The cardinality, the delivery, priority, synchronicity, notification, casuality, and the mode of operation. First one is the cardinality. Their procedures, their observers, and event patterns. Then delivery. The values, the best effort delivery, exact once delivery, or at most once delivery, or at least once delivery, it will define the delivery. Just imagine here the how a connector is very larger information it takes, and with some larger dimension, very vast dimension, each connector has. Then the synchronicity. One is here the synchronous connection or asynchronous or timeout synchronous. Although it is synchronous, but that time or session expired. Then the notification. If it is a poll notification, if it is a publish or subscribe notification, or any central update or any queued dispatch. Then another dimension is the casuality. If it is absolute value or any relative value. Then mode of operation, whether it is a hardware operation or software operation. If a hardware, then the page fault, their interrupts, their traps, everything you have to understand. In software, it has the single signals, GUI, and the triggers, just in our synchronization mechanism. Here another one is the data access connector. Okay, first one is the procedure call, then event, then data access. Here it will work as a communicator as well as a converter. First one is the dimension locality, their access, their availability, then again accessibility, the life cycle, and cardinality. First, locality. It is a some thread specific, means very pinpointed specific, or any process specific or global access. Then the access, the accessor or muted. Then availability, transient or persistent. Transient means very less time, or persistent means some longer time. Then the availability, whether the values of register, the cache, the DMA, direct memory access. Then heap, stack, everything. Then persistent, repository access, the file input and output, the dynamic data exchange, database access, and then accessibility. Discussed just. Private, protected, or public. Then the life cycle. Life cycle means starting and ending, initialization and termination. Then cardinality. how it defines and how it uses. It has the limit of cardinality. Then linkage coordinator. It will work as a facilitator. Means it will facilitate to link the components. Here, one is the reference, whether it is an implicit or explicit value. Then granularity. That is unit, syntactic or semantic. If syntactic, if it is the value of the variable, the procedure, their function, the constant, and the types. In cardinality, it will define, use, provide, and require. These are the main boundary. This is the limit. So it should be executed. Then binding, compilation time or runtime or pre-compiled time binding. Then stream connector. This is the fifth one. Stream connector. It will work as a communicator. It has the large dimensions. You can see the delivery, the bounds, the buffering, the throughput, state, identity, synchronicity. Then format, their cardinality. First delivery, the best effort delivery or exact once delivery or at least once or at most once delivery. It will define, the value will define. Then the bounds or inbound or unbounded or bounded. Then buffering, if it is buffered or unbuffered, the value will be defined by the connector. Then throughput, atomic units or higher order units. Then state, whether it is a stateless or stateful. Then identity, if it is a proper identity or naming identity is there or it is unnamed. Then locality, if it is local or remote location. Then synchronicity, synchronous, asynchronous, and a time of synchronous. Then format, if it is a raw format or any structured or organized format. Two type of format. Then cardinality, binary or NR. Means binary means two connections are there. NR means it has a multiple things where it has the multiple sender, multiple receiver, or multiple sender or receiver. The sixth one, the connector as a arbitrator. It will help with the service for coordination and facilitation. Their dimensions: fault handling, concurrency, transactions, security, and scheduling. First one is the fault handling. It is authoritative or voting technique. If any fault occurs, how the fault will be handled. If authoritative or by with some voting technique. Then concurrency, the mechanism and weight. If mechanism, if it is a semaphore or rhombus. Then monitor, then log. These are some synchronization mechanisms. Concurrency and synchronization was there. Then weight, lightweight or heavyweight. Then transactions, nesting means or individual transaction or group of transactions. Then awareness, if you are no ever or supported or required or new one. Then isolation, read, write, read or write. These are some sub-dimensions with their values, I am saying. Then for in the dimension security, it is the privacy, integrity, and durability. Privacy means it should have the definition for encryption, information padding, and screening. You heard about these things or not? Encryption, information padding, or screening. And integrity, redundancy check, certificates. Yes or no? Durability, the single session or multi session. So heard about this thing. Then scheduling, last one, time and weight. Sir?
So please tell us about
Security,
screening.
we'll assign some part of security later on, okay?
Yes, sir. Because security is also a part as a non-functional property for the architecture.
Very much an important parameter.
Important parameter.
Okay.
Yes. Next. Then the connector type adapter. It will work as a converter. Just we discussed previously, the buffer or adapter works as a connector as a converter. Their dimensions, invocation conversion. It will help for the address mapping, marshalling, and translation. Then the packaging conversion, wrappers and packaging. Then protocol converter. Then presentation conversion. So this is the work of an adapter. It will be a type of connector. Okay. Protocol converter, you heard about it or not? A router, gateway is a protocol converter. The last one, distributor connector. It will work as a facilitator. Naming, delivery, and routing. Naming means the subdimensions are of naming is structure based or attribute based. Attributes means some column wise, structure means like the tree structure, graph structure, some structure or any linked list type structure, any data structure based or attribute based means tabular mechanism. Then if structure based, it is a hierarchical or flat. Then the delivery, the dimension of delivery, it is semantic or mechanism. Semantic means the delivery will be with the best effort or exact ones or at most ones or at least ones. The mechanism of delivery, if it is a one-to-one delivery or one-to-many delivery or one-to-all delivery. If one-to-one delivery, it is unicast, one-to-many delivery multicast, one-to-all delivery broadcast. Then routing. Routing means with membership or path. Okay. Path means some router routing. Membership means source routing. The bounded in membership, it is bounded or ad hoc. Ad hoc means infrastructure-less network. There was a network, infrastructured network and infrastructure-less network. Okay. Infrastructure-less means all the communicating devices, all the networking devices have no proper synchronization in between them. So we can say it is an ad hoc network. We can add it, we can remove it, we can incorporate according to our choice. Okay. So that is an ad hoc network. It is not a proper established network. One is unestablished, another one is established. Ad hoc means unestablished, infrastructure less. Then the path. For path routing or router routing, router means path. Router routing means the router will decide the path. Source routing means the source will decide the path. The source, from source to destination. The path is it is static or cached or dynamic. Three type of path. Static path means always you have to follow a single path. Dynamic means from one router you have to change your path because one router is connecting some multiple routers. You may connect through the router 1. If in router 2 you have a very much congestion. Previously in static connection you are going through the router 1, router 3, router 4 like that. But in the middle, if there is some connection breaking or any congestion from one router to another, then at that time you have to change the path dynamically. Previously you are going from R1 to R2. But in dynamically, if in between R1 to R2 there is some congestion, there is some breakage of link, you can also follow other path. Then another one is cached. You have to follow the previous history. The previous path you have to follow, you will move with the IP address. you should have the IP address. This is the routing part. Little bit network communication network or computer network, you can say. Next, the gist. The connectors allow modeling of arbitrarily complex interactions. It also allows for the complex interactions, the rich source of interaction between the data access server. The connector flexibility adds system evolution with the component addition, the component removal, the component replacement, the reconnection and migration. We can increase the flexibility by using these parameters: the component addition, removal, replacement, reconnection, migration, etc. It support for connector interchange according to as it is desired or according to requirement, because various connectors works in a different way. Which one is working as a coordinator, which one is working as a communicator, which one is working as a converter, and which one is working as a facilitator. And also it may not affect the system functionality. So these are also some advantages of the connectors. The libraries of the OTS connector. One time service now OTS connector, please check which one it is. Okay, this implementations allow developers to focus on some application specific issues. And the difficulties are, these are rigid connectors, the connector dispersion in implementation, and the main key issue with the performance as well as with the flexibility. Okay, so these are the total slides. Sir, chapter 7 completed. Yes, sir.
Okay.
27 slides are
Very,
there.
very important chapter. Chapter 7 is very. In
Very,
our
very
architecture portion, this connector plays the most vital role.
Vital role. Yes.
Most vital. These 8 types, for what type of category,
The 8 types, what type of services they are providing?
what type of dimension, what type
They are
of values they have. You have to just
Subdimensions,
keep
they are
it in your
values.
mind.
Yes.
You have to keep it in your mind, these 8 types. In architecture, the components are important, but connectors are much more important. How the invocation works, there you need a connector. So the connectors need to be explicit. How you will fix up one explicit connector, which connector for what type of purpose. Tomorrow I will ask, when the invocation is going on, what type of connector you will fix, what type of connector it is, you have to answer. So think always in that angle. How connector plays a very vital role for any software system to fix up the architecture. The components are important, but connectors are much more important, much more. So this diagram, whatever Debabhaya is showing, you have to keep this diagram in your mind all the time. How many types are there? How many dimension, subdimension, how they are categorized? This picture you have to keep it in your mind all the time. All the time. Then only you can be able to answer. Otherwise, your answer will not be explicit. Explicit means without any confusion. Explicit. Your answer needs to be explicit. As the connectors are supposed to be explicit, your answer are supposed to be explicit. From which category, which type, which dimension, which subdimension, which values, from begin to end. You have to be very specific without any confusion. It has to be very explicit. So, my dear students, make a note of 8 types. Always correlate with this picture, how they help in fixing up the connectivity between the components. Connectors play the most vital role. So shall we start another chapter, or somebody else will? Here comes the roll and port. So anybody who has done something good? Chandrakant, you have done something. What is that roll and port? Chandrakant?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, come up. You have to explain what is the roll and port for any connector. Take an example of the first type. And how the port and roll play vital role. You explain. You have done some PPT.
Sir, I have done for prescriptive and descriptive. That was my task, yes, sir. But for ports and roles, sir, I have
Anybody has
very.
gone for a role and you are being told. Anybody, Deba? Anybody you are told? Role and port. Anybody has done PPT? Nobody. Deba, your sound is mute. Deba, your sound is mute. Deba, anybody has done PPT?
I told you to prepare for Monday.
Yes, sir. I prepared it yesterday, sir. I already prepared it.
Okay.
No, role and port. Anybody?
It was an assignment for all. At least 5-6 slides should be there. Important contents with the port and role and the architecture.
Something we have, but sir, not very much content, sir. Something I am able to find, sir, but I don't think that it's enough. There are something for about ports and roles components.
In the last year, your seniors have given a very good presentation in port and role. They were giving during the time.
Leave it. On Thursday, we want each one should have at least 10 PPT on port, roll, color, collie. We'll call randomly, okay?
Sir,
at least 10 PPT. We'll
10 slides.
We'll call randomly, okay?
Sir.
Mahendra Sharma.
Sir, please suggest us some source, sir, so that we can do it better, sir. As we not able to get it on. Sir, we need some source, sir. Please suggest us some source, sir, where we can find these things, as we are not able to find it on Google and other platforms. Source, yes, source.
Is there in software architecture any standard literature on software architecture you'll find in Google Scholar or mostly in Google Scholar you will find? You search.
Sir, Google Scholar is asking for payment, sir. It's not free, sir. Many articles are there, but they are not free.
No. Some majority are free. Few are paid. Google Scholar, majority of the articles are free. Where the right hand side some tips are there, they are free. Where the tips are not mentioned, where it is available, there it is paid. So you try. Let me see how many papers.
Deva sir suggestion is, sir. Deva sir,
आप try नहीं क्यों? You try sincerely. You try
Yes, sir,
sincerely.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
You try. आपके sincerity में कमी है. You try. सब कुछ है. Everything, whatever is available, lot of things are available. You will come to NIT, then you can get everything. NIT में license है, कोई problem नहीं. But till that time you try. फिसल जाने के लिए तो बहुत बहाना है. A lot of pleas are there to move out, to slip out. कोशिश करने में सब आसमान से भी चांद ला सकते हो. आसमान से भी चांद आप ला सकते हो. कोशिश करने वालों को कोई कभी हार नहीं होती है.
Hello.
Yeah, tell anybody.
Deva sir, I want to ask,
Huh.
actually I think in the basic concepts PPT, there was a configuration diagram. Like after when you were explaining about component and connector and then configuration, so there was a complete diagram in which the port, role, and column and collie all were given. Sir, can you tell me to read more in detail about that software, about that diagram? How can I
There is
read?
no specific website. Lot of websites are there. Lot of papers you can find in Google Scholar. All are discussing about port, and there are many are there. I can send you a paper. If you will request, I can send. But there are many websites are there regarding the discussion of the port and role. Many sites are there. How are you not finding?
Who
Your
asked
seniors
who
were
asked
very
this
much
point?
good practice.
Who asked?
Sir, me,
Shubham?
sir,
Now,
Rikaz, sir.
रिकाज आप कोशिश करो कल ये में बोलोगे लैब में कितना मिला कौन सी क्या मिला रात भर कोशिश करो
Sir,
and the Bhavya will come for 10 minutes and tell
all
2
right,
3
sir.
papers. If you don't point, you try to send paper to the Bhavya today. If you don't point, the Bhavya will send you 2 3 papers tomorrow, and day after tomorrow Rekaj will present. Rekaj will present, and the Bhavya will help you tomorrow if you fail. जीवन में फेल कितना दिन हो गए करो कोशिश करो ठीक है
Sir,
You try, आप कोशिश करने में चांद आप ला सकते
सबका आर्किटेक्चर अलग अलग होना चाहिए जित सबका
Anyway.
पॉट एंड रोल्स अब दिखाओगे कि आर्किटेक्चर में इसका कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं और आर्किटेक्चर सबका यूनिक होना चाहिए
सर मैंने ट्राई किया लेकिन
क्या
मतलब
ट्राई
काफी ट्राई किया
नहीं
मतलब
try किया।
आर्किटेक्चर तो मैंने बनाया
आज रात भर कोशिश करो कल देखो भैया
अरे ट्राई किया मतलब क्या ट्राई किया बताओ आर्किटेक्चर बनाने के लिए
हाँ सर मतलब मैं उसी में
अरे यू टेक फ्रॉम योर माइंड द व्हाट आर्किटेक्चर यू वांट टू डिजाइन architecture should be from your own. You just follow 2-3 papers. Once you will follow sincerely 2-3 papers, 100% I am giving guarantee that you can just prepare for the architecture.
Okay, Deva will come tomorrow. Deva will come tomorrow at 10:30 for 5 minutes. Deva, you join and ask Rekaj how many papers he has got. Okay.
all right sir
If
If you fail to get, then
read
Deva will
2-3
send.
papers,
all
maximum
right sir I will try
Yeah. जीवन में हारो. I will win. I will get. I will present in a best manner. कसम खाने से सब हो जाएगी. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. लगन और कसम ये दोनों अगर होगा तो जरूर you can reach the moon. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. Anyway, we are going to close it.
sir one more thing sir one more thing
Yeah.
hello sir one more thing sir you have just shown about all the connector types
Yeah.
there are 8 types and all the dimensions so sir we need to
Yeah.
remember all of them it's a very big diagram
आप डर जाते हो क्यों?
if you need practice, it only practice.
If practice you can. कोई बड़ी बात है. All are connected. सारे चीज कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. कोई बात जीवन में
प्रैक्टिस करने से आ जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक दिमाग माइंड में आ जाएगा
you can कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. just 2-3 बार try करो how they are connected, what are the values and
and the services, the types, the services, dimension, subdimension, and what the values they are carrying.
all right sir
Just like asynchronicity, a dimension is asynchronicity, whether it is synchronous or asynchronous or time out synchronous are the 3 parts. These are the values. Similar in the same way. So another one, the security. If it is public or private or protected, these are the values. If you will practice, automatically it will come to your mind.
all right sir I will try sir I will
And
try.
you check that, and another one is the cardinality. For which one the cardinality, the bounded or unbounded? For which one the cardinality is the top or bottom or bounded, unbounded? Many more things are there. You can just match it.
For arbitrator, for example, Deva Bhaiya was telling about the security. Security is the dimension.
Sir, it has the values with encryption, the values with availability.
That is the privacy. That is the privacy part. The privacy is the subdimension.
So privacy.
Encryption comes to the
Sir, values.
value.
Encryption.
Encryption
Value.
is the value.
Encryption, the information padding.
That's the
Inf-
value. That's the value.
That is the value.
Come
Information
under
padding.
privacy.
Privacy. Many more.
Privacy
If
is
your
the privacy is the subdimension.
yes,
Subdimension is the privacy.
sir.
So you coordinate everything. कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, सारे चीज जुड़ा हुआ है. All are connected.
प्रैक्टिस करो, वैसे देख के डर जाने से नहीं होता है. तुम तो देख के डर गए. अगर काम करने के बाद नहीं हो रहा तो अलग बात है. देख के डर जाने से तुम अटेम्प्ट नहीं लोगे. Before attempting anything, if you will bring fear to your mind, how can you proceed?
Try to coordinate. कैसे कैसे, हाँ 8 है मेरी टाइप. How I will correlate them with the category. There are 4 कैटेगरी, 3 C और एक F है. 3 C और F का साथ 8 का कैसे मैं जोड़ू. Then टाइप हो गया. देन टाइप, हर टाइप का कुछ डायमेंशन रहता है. क्या क्या सब डायमेंशन है. ये डायमेंशन इसका है, ये डायमेंशन इसका है, ये डायमेंशन इसका है. अभी जो बताया सिक्योरिटी पार्ट, सिक्योरिटी एक डायमेंशन है आर्बिट्रेटर का. आर्बिट्रेटर क्यों यूज होती है सोचो. व्हेन आर्बिट्रेटर इज यूज्ड, आपने पढ़ा होगा. कहाँ पढ़ा होगा. ट्राई टू रिमेम्बर इन योर बीटेक. कहाँ आर्बिट्रेटर यूज होता है. ऑल आर कोरिलेटेड. कोई बड़ी बात. उसका बाद सिक्योरिटी, उसका सिक्योरिटी है डायमेंशन. उसका अंदर में सब डायमेंशन क्या क्या है. एक प्राइवेसी भैया ने बताया.
Integrity sir also. Privacy, integrity.
मैंने बताया प्राइवेसी, इंटीग्रिटी. दे कम अंडर सिक्योरिटी पार्ट.
Security.
सिक्योरिटी अगर डायमेंशन रहा, देन दे आर द सब डायमेंशन.
Yeah.
सब डायमेंशन, प्राइवेसी, इंटीग्रिटी. और क्या क्या सब डायमेंशन बन सकती है. हाउ मेनी सब डायमेंशन कैन कम अप. हाँ.
Only practice.
Then
Only
when you
practice.
think about,
What is the authentication there, authorization, some also there.
then when privacy comes, under privacy,
Such as encryption, information padding, screening. Information padding is
अंदर ये
to
सब.
adding some bogus character to your contents. If you will add some bogus character, if you are sending some binary contents, in your binary content, if you are adding some bogus contents, some unnecessary contents, it will create confusion to get the for the decryption, so that one interceptor cannot find the exact meaning of it. No one cannot intercept it. If they will also intercept it, they can decrypt it. If you will add some information, that is the information padding. Means हम क्या करते हैं ना, कुछ unnecessary, unwanted और bogus character बोलते हैं इसको, bogus character in security. इसको ऐड कर देते हैं. ऐड करने से क्या होता है ना, इसका मीनिंग पूरा चेंज हो जाता है. इसको decrypt करना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. Only the authorized person can decrypt it.
Any other? Well, logic. Okay, you boys go. Take care. And today PM is giving a talk only how you can save yourself from the second surge of pandemic, because there is a possibility that pandemic may again return back. So, dear students, you have to be very careful. Don't mix with anybody whom you don't trust. Don't move out on that issue, because this Durga Puja season is coming. There is a possibility that people may mix with everybody. So don't allow yourself to this type of threats. On that issue, PM is giving a talk now at 6 p.m. He will talk mostly for this. Because of this, Durga Puja is coming from Thursday onwards. So don't take it casually. Don't move around. Stay inside home until unless needed. Don't move out. Pray God sincerely at home. If you pray sincerely, God will definitely come to you inside your home only. No need to move out to see any pandal, because your health is priority and you never know how this virus gets infected. This is a very unpredictable way of spreading the infection. Nobody knows how it gets spreaded. Very difficult, very difficult. So your protection, you have to take care, none else. You are no more a small child. You are now 18 plus. All are 18 plus. So you have to protect yourself. So all the time I insist on that. Health is first. Health is first. Don't move out until unless it is very much urgent. If it is urgent, put on spec, put on mask. Those are must. So for me, health is first. Asutosh, आप आज आए हो Asutosh? Asutosh Gupta.
Yes, yes, sir, yes,
Yes.
sir.
How are you doing? How are you feeling now? Okay.
So I'm good, sir, but still some breathing problem is there, sir. Pulse is getting higher.
Oh, breathing problem. Oh.
Yes, sir. Pulse should be below 80, and my pulse is around 100 to 110, sir. Yeah.
Again,
So,
what is that 80? What is that?
pulse,
Pulse,
sir.
pulse.
Pulse.
Pulse. Do you
Yes, sir.
have that small oximeter in your house?
Oximeter. Yes, sir.
Oximeter.
Yes, sir. Yes,
How
sir.
much is the reading? How much is the reading?
Sir, it's
Oximeter.
it's always 100 to 110, sir. In between 100 to 110.
No, no. Oh, it should be 90 plus, rather 95 to 100.
No, sir. That is saturation level, sir.
Achha.
Oxygen level, yes, sir.
How much that is coming? How much that is coming?
That is normal, sir. That is 97 to 98, but the pulse is not normal, sir.
Oh, 88 is not normal, Sutosh. It should be 95 plus.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So there is some abnormality, there is some virus. So you have to be very careful. Do some gargling and inhalation every day for coming 2 weeks. Okay.
Yes. Yes,
and
sir.
also take medicine. It
Yes,
is a
sir.
very difficult virus. And
Yes.
and those who are infected, there is a possibility that it may again return and they may be again infected. The second surge, they call it surge. Okay, so you have to be very careful. Don't move out, remain isolated, and do gargling and inhalation must at least 3 to 4 times a day. Apart from the medicines, whatever you are taking, I do not know whatever medicine they give. Some, what is that, Debo? F starts with, what is that medicine? Debo?
Favipiravir. Favipiravir.
Favipiravir.
Favipiravir.
Favipiravir. Have they advised you to take
Yes, sir.
Favipiravir?
Sir,
Yes, sir. I am
in
taking
our
Fabimax,
village,
sir.
sir, I will send you, sir. I will send you a news sir, today in the newspaper. In our village, some medicine stores are selling the Favipiravir tablet with the authorization of the CDMO. By taking the authorization from CDMO, district CDMO, they are started selling Favipiravir. In our village also, very close to our home, one medicine store is selling the medicine Favipiravir with the authorization from CDMO.
Okay. That's a good medicine. People are telling Favipiravir.
Yes.
So I don't know whether your doctor has advised or not. You can have a talk with your doctor. But
With a proper consultation, sir. Someone should take it with proper consultation.
Continue your medication and do all these small things, this inhalation and gargling. That's a must. People ignore it, but it's very much helpful, and don't ignore it. We are very much worried for everybody's health. Very young people are becoming very serious. Very young people, 17-year girls. In somehow I known to them, and we lost her. So you never know what type of problem will come up to whom. So you have to be very careful. And those who are having little bit of health problem, take medicine. Even I saw in a newspaper, Debo, just listen. Those who are having conjunctivitis, can you believe the sentence? That Joy Bangla, and that eye problem, there is a possibility that they may get corona infection. I read it somewhere, that conjunctivitis, that redness of eye, it may be the pre-symptom. for corona problem. So you never know. Initial some symptom will be there. When the body becomes weak, then the virus gets the opportunity to enter into your lungs or any part. 50% of the patients, the virus start attacking the lungs. For other 50%, you never know where it attacks. It attacks the kidney, it attacks the liver, it attacks the spleen, it attacks the brain. So you never know. It's a very, 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 very difficult virus. So you have to be 100% careful how the virus will not come to your body. Can you believe it that the redness of eye can be a pre-symptom? I saw it somewhere. So redness of eye, people are never thinking that other than nose and mouth, there is any source of entry of virus. But redness of eye may be a reason for infection. So my dear students, take your care. Indrila, don't move outside to the puja pandal, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, don't go. In Calcutta, everybody just run.
Yes,
Save
sir.
yourself. Don't go from outside. This is my request. Let anybody go. You stay inside and keep all your family members inside. Put them inside a locked room. Don't allow anybody to go to the street. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because this is a very, very, very difficult problem. Very difficult
Yeah.
problem. Yeah. Don't move. In Bengal, they enjoy. They always move out to enjoy. In Bengal, in Patna, also Chandrakant, be careful. I am worried because somebody may invite you and you may run out. Don't do that. Okay? Let this year be over. Okay. Okay, my dear students, I am leaving. I am quitting. We'll meet tomorrow for the lab class. Okay. Okay. At 9 o'clock, we'll be meeting. Bye. Bye. Bye to all. Bye to all. Bye to all.